The Clever Deer and the Tricky Fox, a moral story for kids. Once upon a time, deep in a beautiful, green forest, lived a clever deer named Daisy, and a tricky fox named Felix. Daisy was kind and smart, while Felix was known for his clever tricks. The Fox's Trick. One sunny morning, Felix was feeling very hungry. He spotted Daisy drinking water by the river, and thought to himself, "If I can trick her, I'll have a big feast today." So, he put on his friendliest smile, and walked up to Daisy. "Dear Daisy," he said, "I have found a hidden garden, full of the juiciest apples. But it's behind a deep, dark cave. I need your help to get them. Let's go together." Daisy lifted her head, and looked at Felix carefully. She knew he was always up to something, and something didn't feel right. The clever plan. She smiled and said, "That sounds wonderful, Felix. But first, let's tell the Lion King about it. He loves apples too." Felix's face changed instantly. His smile faded. He stuttered, "Oh no, no need. It's a small garden. Let's keep it a secret." Daisy chuckled softly. "A true friend never hides good things from others. You were trying to trick me, weren't you?" Felix's ears dropped. He sighed and admitted, "I'm sorry, Daisy. I should have been honest instead of trying to deceive you." The moral of the story: honesty and wisdom always win over tricks and lies. From that day on, Felix promised to be a better friend. And Daisy? She continued to live happily, always using her wisdom to stay safe in the forest. Which part of the story did you like the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun moral stories.